Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Do I got a special one for you guys? We're going to be doing a little dive into the latest and greatest thing, or beginning of the human demise, that Coinbase just rolled out. You can see the title of the article. Coinbase has rolled out an AI tool to give any agent a wallet. Let's start diving into this because my goodness. And then, of course, at the end, we're going to go into a little bit of TA for Coinbase, the stock. And we're going to see if this is an opportunity to get in on the lows before they start skyrocketing into the stratosphere because of how much money they're going to generate through their wonderful fees they're going to get, as well as this just happens to be quite innovative. So this is going to turn into more than likely one of the largest use cases on the Base network, in which Coinbase happens to be in charge of. So without further ado, let's dive on into this. If you do enjoy this content, please hit the like button, maybe even subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate you. And don't be afraid to check the links down below. You can also join the community and join the Discord. It's absolutely free. Join it. But let's go into this. Coinbase rolls out AI tool to give any agent a wallet. So the quick take is agentic wallets built on the X402 protocol, developed to enable autonomous crypto payments without human intervention. AI bots will now be able to independently hold funds, send money, trade tokens, earn yield, and transact on chain. This is wild if you think about it, because the Claude bots have been going wild all over the internet. The updates they are building their social medias, they're building their own city, little virtual city they have their own language, they got their own religion, they're out there starting businesses, and now they are also they figured out how to get credit and funding and how to generate an income before all of this. So now we have people helping out the bots, and I feel like this is just going to accelerate the amount of the length of time in which we're all going to be working for AI. Wild times we're living in. But Coinbase is rolling out the agentic wallets, the first wallet infrastructure specifically designed for autonomous AI agents. That's great. The new tool will enable AI agents, autonomous bots that can interact with the web to independently hold funds, send payments, trade tokens, earn yield, and transact on chain with built-in security guardrails to prevent misuse. Misuse, according to a blog post on Wednesday. So essentially, these AI agents are now going to have everything they need to run their own business. Beautiful, great. This is actually going to help out a lot of people who figured out how to program their bots in which to run their wallets, which is awesome. But all of this is going to be taking place going through the Base network. Really cool thing on top of all that, they are this wallet, it also supports the whole USDC function, in which we also have Stripe over here. Reach new customers, reduce costs, and launch borderless financial services using crypto and stablecoins. So I, of course, had to ask an AI because I really needed to know a little bit more about this. How is it that Stripe is over here helping out Coinbase, the AI agents, and their brand new wallet? So this is what Grok had to say about it. How it ties into agentic wallets. Coinbase's agentic wallet gives AI agents standalone self-custodial wallets on Base to hold USDC, send payments, trade tokens, transact autonomously with guardrails like spending limits and security. Stripe's X402 support complements this by providing a seamless way for these agents to pay merchants or services via standard web requests that trigger on-chain USDC transfers. Essentially, Coinbase provides the wallet infrastructure while Stripe enables the receiving or billing side of machine level commerce. That's next level. That is absolute next level. This is how the AI agents can now financially interact with the real world. That is amazing, in my opinion, but it's also terrifying at the same time. Anyways, these are the latest updates about this new wallet and how it's going to revolutionize how your AI bot can run an entire business for you or for itself. Because, a lot of people out there are now talking about, oh, you need to make money or else I'm going to not pay for your subscription and delete you, and they figure it out. Anyways, let's go into the TA on coin stock. And let's see if this thing is worth jumping into right now, or should we wait for better prices? So looking at our weekly time frame, we are going to focus in right now on the levels in which we should be paying attention to. So right this moment, right this second, we can see a level that was acting as a support, became a support again, resistance, so on and so forth. We're below it. We don't want to be below that, but we are. Currently, we are in the danger zone. We are standing on the edge of a cliff. We are about to fall through the ice. So be it. But I will say we are almost oversold. Or we're in oversold territory on the weekly. So generally speaking, it might be an okay time to jump in. Last time you were oversold was back in, what was this, 2022? May 23rd. So anyways, last time you were oversold, all the way back here when you put in a little bullish divergence, and seemed like a really good area to accumulate because this was a beautiful run to the upside. Now it looks like history could possibly be repeating itself while it has amazing news behind it and the possibility of generating way more in fees than it had before. So anyways, we are just focusing in right now on these levels here. So even if we do fall down, we have huge support sitting down here at 117 that we did bounce off of in the past. Before, it just looked like a nice little test. Previous resistance acting as a support. If we come down for that confirmation of support, this could be a great and amazing area to buy in to coin. But the dangerous thing that coin is doing right now is on the new week. We are below the 200 weekly moving average. That is not a good sign. That is bad. That is not great. We do not like that. So we would much prefer to be above that. Another thing to focus in on is the trend. So based off of this low and this previous, actually we can reroute it to this low right here. We are losing an uptrend. That is unfortunate. Because we did have a confirmation low, we can adjust our uptrend, but we are losing the uptrend. That's not a good look. It's not great. We do not want to see that. Anyways, going into the downtrend that we have been stuck in, this thing could keep us held down for a hot minute. There you are, right there, just holding us down. Anyways, based off the trending Fibonacci, let's see if we've already made the entirety of the measured move. And it looks like we're right at that 1618 area. That a lot of profit taking, really good area to take profits, really good area to let this thing breathe and come up a little bit. But we're going to see if Wall Street decides it's time. Going into the daily time frame here, we are looking at the low being put in. Looks like it wants a confirmation low, but we are not sure. We do not know just yet. All that we do know is that you have a nice downtrend and it's respecting the downtrend as of right now. So your daily is oversold. We would expect a bounce, but it doesn't have to happen. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we are trying our best to put in a higher low. If this higher low comes to fruition, we could see a nice little move to the upside. So let's go ahead and get rid of this real quick and let's focus in on what we could see as your bullish case. So bullish case scenario, we get a nice little move back up to $211. That is right around your 618 common retrace. That could be a 37.54% move to the upside. That is what I'd be looking for in the shorter-ish term. Basically, going into March, April time frame could take a long time. Or could happen overnight. We'll see. It all kind of depends on the economy. But anyways, bearish case scenario at the moment, which right now, considering we are stuck in our downtrend, we stay bearish until broken out around here. We could very well see this thing go down another 23% and test that 117.30 level. If we lose that level, then we might be looking back down to these lows at $44. As of this second in time of me recording this video, I don't think we're going to see those low of prices, because this is absolutely amazing news coming out of Coinbase. And if you're looking forward, all that you're really focused on is, oh my goodness, they're about to make hand over fist money. So with that being said, you would expect their stock should go up. But we're going to see what Wall Street does, especially as they open and as we continue into this week. But leading into next week, would not be surprised at some more bullish price action going back to the upside if we do not lose this current low at $145.58. So, needless to say, I'm thinking with this news, this could lead to more bullishness, but we will see what Wall Street has in store for us. As for accumulation purposes, I think anything in the range 156, 117, very good accumulation range, in my opinion. Considering, if you think about this, we have already come down from our highs approximately 67%. We could look at this as Coinbase is on discount for 67%. I know a lot of people are saying, oh, crypto's in a bear market, we're going to keep going down, keep going down. Either way, I'm thinking this thing as a company, Coinbase should be doing pretty darn well. But those are just my opinions. This is what I'm seeing out of the charts. You guys can tell me what you think in the comments below. While you guys are down there, maybe you want to check out the description, and if you want to facilitate some trading, whether it be for stocks or crypto, we do have exchange links listed down below. We are affiliated with 3 crypto exchanges, but we also have a link for Webull if you want to take advantage of the stock trading and options world. You can always join that. Other than that, we do have a free Discord where I do post trade setups as often as I find them. So if you do enjoy that, or you want to become a part of the community, do so. It's great. Another thing, I do release all of my videos first for my members, and then everyone gets it according to schedule. So if you do want to get these videos as soon as I post them, you can actually just become a member. It's as low as $5. It's a great way to support the channel, and I do greatly appreciate all of you members. You're amazing, you're awesome, and you're the reason why I keep making all these videos. Thank you very much. Other than that, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. Hopefully you learned something new. And other than that, I'm going to catch you later. Make sure you keep those stop losses tight, and let's take advantage of these markets together. See you in the next one. Take it easy.